Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to schedule power on or off in Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to schedule power on or off, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Select it. From here, just scroll down more and here you'll get the task timer. Select this and here you will get the schedule power on or off. Just select it and here you can see that there is two schedule of power on and two of power off, so you can easily manage them. Here you can customize your time which you want, and after that just select OK. And here's the days you can easily select, and after settings you just have to enable this one to enable schedule power on, and this is the schedule of power off. So that's how you can easily make schedule of power on or off on Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.